Oh, what? Kiss his face? No.
He won't.
You fucking wish it, haven't you?
Kiss it. He's moving his head. He don't like it, do you? He don't like
No,
it.
thanks for his kiss.
His kiss is really bad.
Give a kiss.
Go then. I'd love it if he shat on you.
He can poo on me any day.
Can I shit on you?
Hey, that's fucking hell. I've not got Julie in the house already.
Oh, she's tripping off. Let's get a picture. Get him out. Oh, look at his face. He's going to kick me out.
Stroking me like that.
Oh, don't be scared.
Oh, look at that.
You don't like your hair, love.
Does he not? No, I don't either. Don't worry about it. Come on. Oh.
He used to eat, man.
Oh, that's the nail. He's nibbling the nail. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, it is. Oh, that's the ring. Don't have that. That's a quarter of a diamond, that. Somewhere along the line. Oh,
right. When I get 3 back out, I saw 3 backs away.
What, this one?
No, you know.
Just that, see, Jasmine.
Come on. Go then.
Yeah, no, go on.
You might get knotted in your hair. Have you heard it?
Remember that, with that one? All his legs tangled round extensions.
Really?
Yeah.
What, yours?
No, Stephen. No.
What, the extensions?
3 pack.
Have you?
Of course he has.